Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. As my Gen Alpha nephews always say, hey, let's go. Okay, so we have here Marvel Heroclix Forbush Man. And this is a limited edition product from WizKids and contains one pre-painted collectible miniature game piece. You can see on the left side of the box the illustration of Forbush Man. Okay, I'm not so familiar with the Forbush Man, but from my story time with Heroclix friends, it seems like he is just a regular human with a bucket on his head, and he beat the Juggernaut. Okay, and at the back you can see the full scope. On top, it is meant for 14 years old and older, and it was released 2024. Okay, but this one I actually bought from Larry, okay, as part of his prize in the concluded CCO Clicks Championship Open here in Manila. Okay, so he ended up as the champion. Okay, and I offered to buy this Forbushman from him because of the keywords, which is next wave. Okay, so I'm trying to collect some next wave figures. So this fits my collection. Okay, so thank you very much, Larry, for allowing me to purchase. And you can see the figure here is quite small. Okay, but the pose is hey. Okay. I like the detail in the face. The eye is there, seen in the bucket. Okay. So anyway, let's take a look briefly at the character. Okay, you can see him 360 degrees. Okay. So the bucket even has a, it's not a bucket, it's a pan, cooking pan, but with handle. Okay. So you can see the scope. Okay, and the dial is a unique figure, zero range, only for close combat. Okay, so let's take a look at the card. Oh, oops. For Bushman, it has the team player team ability, the hate keyword together with next wave and celebrity. And he has a couple of traits. The first one is not brand ek, which means that characters within 6 squares modify their attack and damage -1 if they aren't a Marvel character. Okay, so he is anti-detective characters, comic characters. So if you're non-Marvel, you get -1 attack and damage, which is really strong, considering he only has 30 points. Okay, he also has a special damage power throughout his dial, incredible, unexplainable luck, which is probability control. When Forbushman uses it to reroll an attack roll, he may choose to only reroll one of the dice. Okay, and that's really powerful whether you use it to your friendlies or opposing characters. Okay, so that's also really strong for 30 points. Okay, so you can see he has sidestep and senses throughout his dial. Probably copy Spider-Man team ability or Wonder Woman just to beef up his super senses. Okay, because he is an support piece, definitely, because only 10 attack, 998 as it goes down the dial. And yeah, team player, probably copy Skrull team ability if able to, so that he gains shape change. And you can also equip him, maybe equip with what do you think? I'm thinking like a glider or maybe a Dreamstone Ruby to give him shape change, okay, for more survivability. Okay, so coupled with that senses and prob, he can really be an annoying piece. Okay, so by the way, the reason why he was able to defeat Juggernaut is because of that incredible, unexplainable luck. Okay, because again, could you really imagine this guy beating Juggernaut? Okay, except when it's because of a series of unfortunate events. So anyway, real name is Irving Forbush, and appearance is Nat Brand Ek, number 14, 2017. Okay, so that is the Forbush man. Yeah, so better give it a try as a support piece. But what do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments. And until next time, hey!